Please subscribe to this channel for more videos related to Catholic Christian teaching. Though the supernatural is beyond nature, still nature has a certain receptiveness for the supernatural, the so-called obediential potency. This is the passive potentiality proper to creatures of being elevated by the Creator to a supernatural state of being and activity. According to the scholastics, the supernatural gift is educed through the power of the Creator from the obediential potency. In other words, the passive potentiality which is present in the nature of the creatures is actualized by the omnipotence of God. This doctrine is essentially different from the modernist teaching of the vital immanence, according to which everything religious develops out of the necessities of human nature in a purely natural fashion. St. Augustine teaches, man by nature is able to have faith just as he is able to have charity. But by grace it belongs to the faithful to have faith in the measure they have charity. The supernatural does not exist in itself, but in something else. It is therefore not a substance, but an accident. Thus, the supernatural presupposes a created nature, which receives it and in which it operates. The supernatural is not superadded merely externally to nature, but affects nature intrinsically. It permeates the being and the powers of nature, and perfects it either within the created order or through elevation into the divine order of being and activity. The fathers and theologians compare the supernatural to fire which makes iron glow. The First Vatican Council establishes the absolute necessity of revelation by reason of man's orientation to a supernatural final end. God, in His infinite goodness, has ordained man to a supernatural end, namely, to share in the good things of God that utterly exceed the intelligence of the human mind. Man's supernatural end consists in his participation in the divine self-knowledge. The attainment of this end by man gives glory to God and fills man with supernatural happiness. The natural end of man, which consists in man's natural knowledge and love of God, and in the natural glorification of God, is subordinated and adapted to his supernatural end. The natural order is thus used as a means for the attaining of the ultimate supernatural goal. Man, by reason of his whole dependence on God, is bound to strive after the supernatural destination determined for him by God. If he neglects this, then he cannot reach the natural goal either. Please go to YouTube Retired Mentality channel, playlist Divine Act of Creation for the complete series of these materials.